Pagiging naalalahan po lahat para sa aking mga ngayon.
Small things. Kahit magkano ba yan, 20, 50, di ba? Ganun tayo ka-appreciative. Kasi na-realize natin na ang bawat piso mahalaga. Na ang bawat sentimo ay pinaghihirapan.
Binigyan ako ng strength ni Lord this year.
He answered my prayer na nakapag-tour sa abroad, and
To God to make me healthy and also my family. And
God for healing and for sustaining me with His grace. This year, I'm grateful because finally, I am engaged.
He saved me from my depression and anxiety, and He changed my stone heart into a pure heart.
God for sustaining me and for giving yung financial growth po ng family namin. And then,
This year, God made me stronger and better.
I have deeper relationship and everything follows. Right person came.
God did restore me and provide me all of my needs.
For providing a stable job and then a good health also.
Courage and confidence. Okay na po yung life na po yung sa akin mindset. Tayo more than good.
God answered my prayer to travel abroad 2 times this year and heal my trauma.
God did a breakthrough this year in me, in our health.
God sustained me for an entire year. Strength, wisdom, blessings, grace, and love from God.
Hindi po natin ito mararating dahil po, narating po natin ito dahil po sa grasya ng Panginoon. So, this 2026, samahan niyo po ulit ang bawat isa, sabay-sabay po tayo